Hello everyone, how is it going? Scramble here from Emotionless Crypto Trading, and today we would like to share with you another daily price analysis video of Bitcoin. As usually we have this video series and we got to talk about the things that are just happening at the moment as well as future probabilities on the market. So we're going to take a look at the current state, which is 90 billion 24 hours volume and 361 billion market cap entirely. We're talking about a flat day with 0.88% decrease, which is not significant at all. That means right now the market is taking a break for the last 7 days growth. The big question is, will it get a big hit in the next couple of days and retrace from the 7%, or will the markets be in a position to continuously increase towards the $12,000 per Bitcoin? Let's find it out together, guys. Well, here we are for our candlesticks. This is the current situation of the market. We're going to zoom into very soon, but I definitely want to make sure that you understand the entire context before we dive into on a closer range. We've got 3 trending lines. The uptrending channel support of this specific channel, the uptrending channel resistance, and the uptrending channel median line. Now, we're ranging between these 2 parts out there, and we have to understand one very simple concept. As soon as the market is trading in the upper side of the channel, we are sort of a way prepared to push towards the higher limits and increase without being punished by anything. Now, in that case scenario, you can definitely consider about the longs till the point where you touch your resistance of the uptrending channel. So for example, anything around this range. That's quite problematic to be going long after this range. I mean, at the times you're touching those, you definitely have to think about exiting your longs in such case scenario and buying into the longs when you get closer to your median line, which is actually activating as a support for this specific channel. The great part is with actually breaking out, we have founded support on the median line and then spiked aggressively. Today, we've been also finding support very closely to the median line, but there's also something else which supports us. And we have this 4 horizontal structure lines. They're activating as support and resistances where the markets are doing their ping pong between them, which means that I'm going to zoom in and share with you all these things just like this. We've got $11,000 180, this bottom right here. That is a specific support line which is activating and staying with us quite strongly below the median line. So it definitely has to be considered for now as a possibility. If the market breaks below, it's touching the 11,180, goes back to the median line, might get refused and rejected, and then the market can very easily fall back to the support line. So the bigger the distance is going to be from the median line, which naturally is going upwards, the bigger the distance is between the median line and 11,180, this blue line, the harder is going to be to get back in the channel, in the upper side of the channel. And already once the difference is 1.7% around that range, it is going to be very difficult to get back when we touch these ranges. I mean, the later you do this, the bigger the percentage is going to be, 2.6%. That's huge, guys. That's huge. And that is just raising an alarm for the bulls, which is definitely not good for them to be having as a challenge. Not at all. Needing to fight back from here and put it back into the channel like that, that's a lot of the volume that's necessarily in power to do a such movement of a couple of hundreds of dollars after you've been losing a support. It is not an issue right now to do those movements because we are in the upper side and here things can go wild. But as soon as we fall under this green line, it's not going to be good at all. And I'm definitely suggesting to stay out of the long trades at that time. Other than that, well, here we're going to do ping pong movements. And of course, it's going to be pretty hard to be kept it up forever. My objective is to get above the previous high, this guy right here. Get above it. Like this. Be in a situation of having to deal with the current market in a support of 11,550, as well a support of the median line, which is meeting up with a 550 right here on 25th of October. If we successfully survive against the bears until that, which isn't going to be easy at all, 25th of October from now is about 12 days. 12 days to be in a journey of not losing the median line is definitely a heavy one. Is definitely a big journey. Very simple said, a big journey to be accomplished. Therefore, what do we have to keep in mind is a movement that stays above and breaks out, then is forcing the resistance line of the uptrend. It breaks out of this one and it gets sustained by 11,400, which is something that does right now, by the way. These are the previous tops here. So if we get sustained by that, we're definitely going to reinforce the 11,600. And there's very high chances going back to the $700 area. I mean, if we get supported here, then it's clear that the markets are looking towards a new high for this specific structure. And that's just beautiful because the new high has to be closed higher than the previous one. And that means, we can have a decent trade here with possibilities of spiking very hard. Now, after such a thing, I would definitely consider looking after shorts because we're reaching the exhaustion. And anytime we're, during, let me just get this thing set properly. Anytime we're in the upper side of the channel, we were doing very good by touching our top 2 times. For now, we've only touched this once. By the way, the markets are at the moment, as I'm filming, we're about to retouch for the second time. And the later we touch, the bigger is going to be the price. Such as around, 14, 15, 16, it's going to be 11,850. Around the 900 range. And that's pretty good because you definitely have to look after shortings at that time. You definitely have to consider shorting the market at that time, especially if you're touching because you're forming a double top pattern on the resistance line of the uptrending channel, upper side of the channel. Once again, upper side of the channel. What was beautiful here was the support we were receiving, and then we have spiked without any mercy. That was beautiful, guys. So this is where we are at the moment with the BTC technical analysis and price details of the market. It's, beautiful in my opinion, the way we are. And I do believe that as soon as we're having the power and we're capable to sustain ourselves in the upper part of the channel, we're going to have strong chances to retouch the resistance line, form a double top here, and then come back afterwards, just like we did in the past over there. Double top, and then we have retraced. Breaking out of the resistance line of such uptrend is difficult. You have to break out on the upper side, and for that, you need massive power. And of course, that would drive us back to the 12,400 or so, which would be, of course, very, very good to ride such markets. But again, gotta be extremely careful on this, guys, because we already increased 7.76%. We already increased this. It's not much. If Bitcoin can pull it around 12, which would be fine, by the way, if we go 12 from here to there, we're going to put it on 11. So you just add another 1% on it on a wick. which is eliminating a lot of the shorts. And then the markets will turn around and, of course, look towards retesting the median line, which means that retesting the median line out of, let me just clear up a little bit here because there's too many things that I did and it's no longer understandable. So if we retouch the resistance line, reclaiming the median line is going to represent a retracement of 3%. That is still healthy for an uptrend, but reclaiming the support line at the bottom would not be bad at all, around 28th. As soon as we get closer and closer to the elections, we're going to have 9% pullback. That wouldn't be bad at all, guys. That wouldn't be bad at all. And in that case scenario, we got to be very careful, because if this support is lost, then it's a big trouble with the $10,000 bulls, because the markets will have an impact once losing this support. It will have a tremendous impact. So far, it did support it very well, but again, it will have a tremendous impact negatively on the markets, and the bulls are just going to be out. If that support is lost, they will be utilizing tight stop losses, so definitely got to be careful on that. That's where we are. Make sure to like my video if you enjoy this type of videos. Subscribe to my channel for tomorrow's update and every day that we're looking for publishing, as well as for those of you looking to trade cryptocurrency professionally, backed up by data from a person that's been teaching and from a person that's been certified trading since 2014 cryptocurrency and is running a coaching program. That's me right there. You can watch my video. I'm explaining it. I also have my main YouTube channel where I have 400 videos. In the description area, you have a link to my main YouTube channel. I'm talking about technicals for the Ethereum over there. Well, you can see all sorts of data about me on my YouTube channels with my performance in cryptocurrency. I do run a private one-on-one coaching program, which is explained on scrambocoaching.com. You can find out more information. For those of you looking to learn how to trade and join a one-on-one coaching, which is intensive and private, done with you and for you, then make sure to register now. You can qualify for a free conversation with me of 15-20 minutes where I can explain you how it works from A to Z. But before that, make sure to check out the video and understand what it's all about. Right, so that's where we are for now. I'm also presenting the swing trading signal services and the done for you, the complete done for you trading that I have, which means that we're handling the portfolios and we're executing all the trades. Check out the links in the description and watch this video till the end, guys. Have a beautiful day and we'll talk to you soon. Okay everyone, so we have reached to the part of the video where I'm going to share with you my trading results in September 2017. And on top of that, there are 3 major services you can participate with me. We're going to find out more. Now, right here on the left side, we've got all those results that are pointed down since September 2017. And you can take a look at the representation per month, total trades, average trades per day, average profit per trade percentage, and then the total profit and loss generated for that month. Overall, we were able to make huge profits. As for example, if you have a budget of $50,000 and you're able to make in that month 126% like you made in the last month, April 2020, that means you're going to get 126 on your portfolio out of the 50 grand. That's probably, you're going to reach up to 110 grand or so, right? So basically, making money via trading is definitely possible as long as you have a very clear strategy on the way you're trading, where all the tradings that you're applying on the market needs to have at least 80% probability of winning. If you are prepared from mentally and psychological perspective, you can do this. And then if you have the experience necessarily, so the 3 major steps to get into the successful area, guys. I've been trading since 2014 crypto, and before this I'd done 1 year stock market. But here we're talking about a different thing. So this statistics and results that I'm presenting you on the left side are including day trading, swing trading, and position trading at all risk levels, which means that this is my entire trading business since September 2017 on the results right there. Now, as per other services and things that you could consider and you would like to participate, we have three of them: Copy My Trades, full trading activity done for you, and the private one-on-one coaching program. So I'm going to explain each of this right now and decide if you guys want to go towards and find out more details and participate with me in my journey. Feel free to do that. You're welcome. So we've got Copy My Trades for a service where pretty much I'm offering swing trading signals to your email or Telegram, delivered with entry and exit prices very, very clearly sent at the time they're appearing. These swing trading signals are always having a price range in between you can act. So it's not like the day trading where you need to act exactly in that second. That's why it is not possible to have day trading signals delivered, because users need to act in that second. And it's no time for me to deliver to tens and hundreds of people, as well as my customers might not be prepared to react exactly on that second. So the entire process of day trading signals is becoming non-efficient. What we can do here is swing trading, and that's exactly what we're doing. They are giving you the ability to trade and open your position by having multiple hours at your position, sort of way, at your timing, at your room of timing, I would say. So for example, you need to enter between 9,000 and 9,300 price per BTC. There is that $300 price range, which gives you room to act even within the next 2 or 3 hours or 4 hours. It's not really that urgent, just like the day trading. Usually we have between 10 and 20 trades per month going into this section of swing trading, giving you the ability to trade without any special trading knowledge, just acting within the mentioned price of entry and exit range. That's what you have to do. On top of this, you receive the coefficient number for every single trade, which is a calculation of risk and reward representation between 0 and 5. The closer it gets to 5, the higher you should put as per amount of money from your budget. That's how these trades are working. Only swing trade, attention. This is no day trading, this is no position trading. This is only swing trades. Full trading activity, which is the second service done for you. In this service, I'm offering a full trading experience with all the three types of trades: day trading, swing trading, and position trading. Basically, I manage your account and I do the complete trading work, just like I do on mine. This is a full copy paste of my business into yours from all levels, including budget management. So basically, every single thing that I do within my business as per trading, I do it with yours as well. This is the full trading activity done for you. Copy My Trades is totally different. The full trading activity done for you is already at the highest level possible from the trading experience that I can offer. Number 3, private one-on-one coaching program. And this is the most interesting, which is having the highest demand, because people want to learn how to trade by themselves and they would like to reach financial freedom. They would like to reach security by making money online, and of course have the trader lifestyle, which is allowing you to take holidays, to take days off, to make money only once or twice a week, and then pretty much do other things with your life, anything that you enjoy and you prefer. Trading is an activity that in some way and in some places it is represented a 16 hours work activity, which isn't like that in all the cases, only if you want to do that type of trading. But there's so many ways you can go around it, guys. So it's not necessarily to do that kind of trading. That's a decision by those guys to sit 16 hours a day and trade. We're not talking about those. I'm not doing that. I wouldn't enjoy working 16 hours a day. And what's the purpose to do that if you have rewards that you can't really take advantage of? You're making money, but you can't really exchange those money into services and security and comfort if you don't have free time. So obviously, I'm not after that at all. Now here, I'm going to teach you how to trade from A to Z, starting from the most important mental and psychology aspects until the ultimate and advanced trading strategies involving structures and patterns. Every single thing you're going to do is going to be backed up by data. It's just because that's what the market told you to do. You will understand the language of the charts. You will be able to trade based on data. You will be prepared, mentally speaking, to handle every single difficulties of the trader, which I would say for a person that trades, technical analysis and understanding the language of the market is about 30%, and 70% is the person and the brain itself, which we have to work quite a lot on. And that is, something that I do want to point out. Between 4 to 6 weeks of hard work, because it's one-on-one directly with me on Skype calls, covering the needed 3 stages: psychology, technical analysis, and NAV trading. Where for this one, you can find out more information, as I have a long video talking about it on scrambocoaching.com. You have more info right there. You have the URL. This is the website, guys. Make sure you watch the video first. Scroll down for other details and informations. And then if you're prepared to join the coaching and get in a free conversation with me on Skype, make sure to register now. And I'll get back to you on your email with the pricings and everything. If we all agree on that, we can go towards the, and get started by teaching you how to trade. So option number 3 is exactly the private coaching is based on the saying, give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, you feed him for a lifetime. That's the story about it. With the copy my trades and full trading activity, I'm kind of giving you a fish, but I'm not teaching you to fish. While the coaching is actually teaching you to fish, and you can beat yourself for a lifetime. Simple. Now, how do you get started? How you can find out more details? Well, for coaching, you have scrambocoaching.com. You complete the form and you get a free conversation with me on Skype of 15 minutes where I can, discuss and tell you more things. And then for trades and anything else, you want a custom option, you want to do this, you have plans, you have anything on your mind, you can contact me at scrambo@protonmail.com. That's the email mentioned right there where we can get in touch, guys. So that's pretty much all about this video presentation. Make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, keep in touch because I'm going to put out more videos like this. Hopefully this, type of services that I'm trying to offer to my community out here is helping them to reach financial freedom, security, stability, and a better life. That's my purpose right here with you guys. And that's pretty much all I can do right now. So thank you so much. Have a great day down the way, and we're talking.